Hello students, I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to start our new session of Unit 2 and name of poem is Teamwork. Do you like to work and play with other? Look at that lines here. Students, do you like to work and play with other? Yes, of course. We always play with our friends. We will do many of works together. Okay students and children, let's see what is that poem Teamwork. Okay, let's see. Look at that poem here. Let's sing and dance. Before reading this poem and trying understand this poem is written by Chan Negro. Children, as we read it, the name of poem is Teamwork. Children, can you tell me some questions and their answers? Children, do you like to play games? Which games do you like to play? Is that cricket, football, volleyball, hockey? Yes, of course, we play these kind of games. And children, do you know to play all the games what we need? Yes, we need team or teammates. Children, then tell me what is team? Yes, and team means what? Team means two or more than two people. Team means what? Two or more than two people come together to do some work. But do you know what are the advantages of teamwork? Yes, there are many advantages of teamwork. The advantages of teamwork are like you get more and more ideas, you get more creativity, you more and more people are there to complete the work. So these are the advantages of teamwork. Okay students, so let's see what is it in this poem. I will read stanza by stanza and explain you. Okay, let's start. Let's sing and dance. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. Look at that second stanza. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you are me becomes an us. Okay, so this is the whole poem. Let's start from the first stanza. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. Here, together we can make our dream work. So children, poet is saying that when we work together, we can do anything possible. We can do anything possible. And we can do that things easily and effectively. We can do things easily and effectively. In team, we have the people to share the happiness. In team, we have people or teammates to share the happiness when we complete together any work. For example, children, see, when we see in the cricket match, when any team win the match, how players celebrate their victory. They exchange their happiness to each other and they celebrate. Okay, so this is the happiness of teamwork. Look at that second stanza. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. In this stanza, look at that. Poet says that poet has given actually a example of a game to show that every person in the game was important. Here poet gives the example of game, that is basketball, relay race, okay, and also poet shows the importance of every person in that team. And as a team, we should see that everyone is participating. We know that as a team, everybody should be participate in that game only. So like if in basketball game, if nobody passes in basketball game, if nobody passes you the ball, or if in a relay race, in a relay race, that nobody passes the baton, we can't win. If you not passes that baton or not passes the ball to your teammates or a baton to your teammates, you can't win, or that everybody lose. And therefore every player of the every teammates has to take responsibility, and therefore that importance of your teammates is shown by poet in this stanza. Okay, look at that last and next stanza. We are the parts that make up whole. We are the part that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be big plus when a you or me becomes an us. Very nice written by the poem here. So as a part of any team, we make that team complete, as well as we all want to achieve the same result of our plan. Look at that, student, once again. I will repeat it. So as a part of any team, we make that team complete, and therefore as we all want to achieve the same result or plan, we act together. We act together. This is it means the common goal. We have a common goal to achieve the success. On some occasion, it can be beneficial or big advantage when I and you work together. When me and you work together, it can be very advantageous. When you and me become we, it also really helpful for teamwork, and therefore we should do anything, any work by the teamwork. Okay, students, so look at that nice picture here. It shows some sports, like look at that baton hand in that girl. Okay, and so here our poem ends, and we will see question and answer in our next session. Thank you for hearing.